Craftman, you fixing to kitbash weapon pieces onto other weapon pieces? No, y'all should know better than that by now. What we fixing to do is we're going to weaponize some puppy dogs, which I think is a wonderful idea. Look at that. So that's us one right there. And that just tickled me right there. Look how cute. Imagine that sweet little puppy. It was a force of destruction against the enemy. Alright. And that one right there pretty neat. Actually, when y'all wasn't looking, I tried something. Look at him. He could be the tech dog, the surveillance, reconnaissance. So. And so now one of the fun parts is just opening all these weapons packs. We're going to try to build onto with these little pieces. We might wind up just cutting some here, cut something off of that, and just see if it'll look good stuck to the little puppy dogs. Now when I get pieces like this, automatically I start to think line that up with the eye hole, no line it up with the ear hole, and let it look like some Robotech looking, you know. We don't want to cover up that pretty little accessories he already got there. And the cuteness of this little fella, I think, is them ears coming out, and you don't want to cover that, do you? I don't like the way that right there looks. See that? With PVC, you can't sand it, but I recommend to you to do wet sanding on it. Wet sanding will help keep the little particles contained, you know, in that water. Just want y'all to be careful. And so that's what it looks like with some elbow grease and stepping it up, final abrasive.